These units are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier for Baker Distributing Company, which is a subsidiary of Watsco Incorporated, and they are mostly available in the southeastern and southwestern parts of the USA. The brand uses aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel, and their guarantee is not very good when compared to the other brands. They use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The furnaces use traditional PSC motor technology, which is less efficient and less reliable than modern ECM motor technology. The WFAX models are basic furnaces with a 92% efficiency, while the WFSR models have a 96% combustion efficiency, with all of the units having traditional fixed-speed blowers. They are 4-way multi-position furnaces, which allows the dealers to maintain less inventory, which lowers their business overhead, but the brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.